Planet Wet Bag, small, celestial C, made in by Planet Wise is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Planet Wise brand reusable wet bags keep plastic bags out of the manufacturer's landfills. Planet Wise wet bags are made with a high-quality polyurethane laminate, inner that is anti-microbial and inhibits the growth of bacteria and fungi. The outer portion is 100% cotton. PVC-free interior and lead-free zippers make it the perfect bag for your family, in the manufacturer's environment. The Planet Wise wet bag can be used for more than just diapers. Wet swimwear and towels. Sweat and smell contained. Perfect for dirty sports laundry. Stinky shoes? No problem. Toiletries, no need to worry about them leaking into your bag. Keep items organized and contained in your gym, tote or diaper bag. Features: PVC-free interior and lead-free zippers. Reusable to avoid using plastic bags, helping to protect the manufacturer's planet. Made in the USA. Made with high-quality designer fabrics with coordinating inner waterproof material and water-resistant, locking zipper. Each bag is innovatively sewn with hidden seams, and sealed for no wicking or leaking, first in the industry. Resists most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Machine wash and dry with clothes or cloth diapers, please do not use bleach. 100% waterproof innovative seam sealing. Most waterproof material, when sewn, leaves tiny holes in the fabric allowing liquid to seep out over time. It is a myth, and still popularly circulated, that if you dry pull the holes will reseal. This will not happen. Some companies use a sealing tape to make their seams waterproof. This almost always fails, and the tape comes off at some point causing a mess. After a lot of research, Planet Wise Inc. has discovered an innovative way to seal the seams so no liquid can escape along the bag's edges. The manufacturer sealed the manufacturer's seams with pressure so no tape or glue is used, making them 100% waterproof, made in the USA using high-quality PVC, BPA, and lead-free materials. At 7.5 inches by 10 inches, the small wet bag is great for a single diaper change, bathing suit, gym socks, toiletries, or anything else you can think of. Innovative, leak-free design resists most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Designer cotton outer with coordinating waterproof inner. Machine wash warm, tumble dry lower, hang to dry. No bleach or softeners.